Oh, hold on. That's not. Let's see if the live stream is working. Hold on. Let me check. Palantir. I'll be opening the live stream on my phone so I can see your guys. I can see your comments. Opening the live stream on my phone. So I got the live stream on my phone. Hey guys, welcome back to Lucid Trading. We recently did the Palantir analysis, so that's why you can see Palantir right now on the screen. Make sure you hit the thumbs up, guys. I would really appreciate that. So markets are going to be opening in about 20 minutes, so this is super exciting. I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited as well. So I'm just going to open the S&P 500. Makes sense, right? Right, so we actually did say that we would see either a huge move from here or that we would see it basically right there. We drew this last time. We said, okay, we're going to get some bearish momentum. And guess what? The pre-market is right now at around 3,360, 40, something like that. Let me just check it briefly on my trading app. Yeah, it's pretty low. Markets are pretty low. Oh my, we are down about to about the 3,330 level. We can if we can see this properly. Yeah, okay, that makes a lot of sense actually. That makes a lot of sense. Let me delete this and grab the brush. That's right around there where we had a gap, so that makes sense. 3,000. This could potentially be the bounce, because this support we didn't. This was not a support necessarily though. We fell through that level, but we didn't see a huge pump. Well, actually, we did. That's a bad excuse. But yeah, we have a support here as well, so we should be seeing a bounce if we can see the bearishness stop on the 30 minutes. But we're just gonna have to grab a brush right now. So what's happening right now is we're falling down to about 3,328. We're right now we are even lower than the current bearish channel. So that is pretty terrible. But here we could see us go to the trend line at 3,300 and then bounce massively, like we did right there. So once we bounce there, we probably see a huge pump to the upside when it comes to like the trend line. So we are moving the as we said in one of our videos in our live videos, we're moving towards the trend line. I didn't think it would happen this fast. So I think we're going to see a little bit of a bounce and then come back down and come back to the trend line at around 3,306. Or it would just be a gap fill right there, which would be 3,300, which would be just like that or like that. And then we bounce. Like this. Exactly like that. You see that? I made that pattern right there. It's exactly this pattern. So I'm going to stick with this one actually. This one is probably going to happen. Yeah, I really believe this is going to be the move, and then we'll probably hit this briefly and then go up again. So from there we would probably come back to the bearish channel and then keep going upwards towards new highs. I think this is going to be the pattern. This is going to be it. I'm going to check out the live stream chat. 17 people watching. Hey guys, welcome to the live stream. Make sure you drop in the comments what you want to see. Morning Lucid, new to here. Palantir holders since direct listing here. Good stuff, man. Good stuff, Kevin. Cheers, Lucid. Big concern about EU stock market dropping like rocket as several countries go for a new shutdown. What do you think about possible impact in US market? Yeah, definitely it's having an impact on us because if the EU is already having a shutdown, that might be that might translate to a shutdown for the US as well coming up very soon. But I think it won't happen during the Trump administration. If he gets reelected, it won't happen. No shutdown. You ran a UPS analysis for me the other day. How do companies get killed after beating earnings? Well, the thing is, you got the stock market moving lower, so everybody's getting out of the stock market, and that is having a significant impact on companies like Microsoft and UPS. Good question. I got burned on AMD calls. Yeah, the thing is, the predictions I make are bullish. So if market sentiment is neutral or bullish, it will come through fruition most probably. If it doesn't, if everybody's negative, everybody keeps selling off, then it won't. Then there is a bearish. We said we would go down to $77 to about $74 for AMD if we would go bearish. Hi, did you analyze Zoom for today? No, not yet, but Zoom should be going up. Eric Pete says, and appreciate your analysis several times a day. I appreciate you, Eric. Pre-market at 545. Yeah, Zoom is going up. So weird. Well, how about Amazon today? I already did an analysis for Amazon, literally like 1 hour ago. You can see the video. You can watch it on my channel. Will UVXY go up to elections day? I don't know what that is. Is that the VIX? I think the VIX is already going up. I think it's going to go a little bit lower before the election day. Hold on. All right, so would you still invest in Apple before earnings? Yes, I would still do that. I would dollar cost average, and I would still do that. Yeah, definitely. Buying opportunities everywhere. Buying opportunities everywhere. Everywhere you look, there's a buying opportunity right now. Markets are all lower. It doesn't make sense to not buy at this moment. Everybody is fearful. Everybody's saying market crash, sell off. It's not going to happen. If everybody is fearful, then you should be greedy. That's how you win the game. If a tiny drop of good news is dropped, like, oh, stimulus earlier than expected, we'll see a 2 to 3% move to the upside. I am telling you, any kind of positive news coming out, we'll see incredible highs. Vaccine developed, we'll go to 3,600. Trump elected, 3,600. Well, I'm telling you, this is just, I want to call it stupidity because honestly, I mean, any kind of good news will just pump the market's huge. Looking at the chats right now. Love your videos, brother. How would I capitalize with liquid assets right now? Oh, do you mean like money? Like gold and stuff? Or clarify what you mean with liquid assets. SAP seems really interesting too. They fall so hard. Yeah, you could dollar cost average. What are your thoughts on LCA? I think LCA was the one that was correcting, and I think after the correction there would be a little bit of bullishness. Kevin says, golden word there. They fear, you win. Yeah, if they fear, then you win, indeed. That's how the markets work. That's how you make money. Eric Pete, the hardest part is deciding between buying Apple and Tesla today. I only have funds for one. I honestly would go for Apple this time because Apple has earnings coming up, and they're going to be really good. And next earnings are going to be really good. And Apple is at a discount at like, it's down like almost 20%. I think it's down 25%, something like that. Yeah, almost 20%. Cash in my account just sitting around. Ooh, I would, if you have cash in your account. All right, so for the people that are, if you have cash around, right, this is just guidance, but I'm going to show you some things if you have cash around. Okay, so let's first go to Tesla. I already explained my bullish case for Tesla, but Tesla is now being sold at an incredible price, $415. if I had some cash around, I would put 5% of my funds or 10% of my funds into Tesla, and as it goes lower to the trend line, I would put another 10 to 20%. Now I'm going to show you another one. AMD. I think AMD is going up, isn't it? No, it's also going down. Jeez. AMD, huge buying opportunity. I'm telling you, amazing buying opportunity. Right now, AMD is a steal at $77.9. I would definitely go for that, guys. Like, damn, that's I got some funds. I'm gonna be getting some more myself. So, um, let's just look at what is it? Apple. Apple is a steal right now at 114. You know what? I'm just gonna get some. I'm gonna get some funds myself. Hold on. I need to invest in this market right now. Give me one moment, guys. Gonna get more and more stonks. I got another 10 shares of AMD. Hold on, I'm gonna get some Apple now. Give me 1 second. Okay, so I got some Apple. I'm gonna get some Tesla. I mean, at these levels, why not? And hold on. Let me think. Which ones did we cover? Did Neo go down? Did Neo go down, guys? No, Neo didn't go down significantly. So I'm gonna hold off on Neo. Should I get more AMD? I think I might just get more AMD. And maybe Netflix. The markets are so bearish right now. I'm just like seeing so many buying opportunities. It's crazy. Netflix is a good one. Amazon. Might get some Amazon as well. No, okay, Amazon is going to correct a little bit. I'm going to stay off of Amazon for now. Should I just go heavy on Apple? Yeah, I'm going to go heavy on Apple. I just bought AMD, Apple, Netflix, Tesla. Right? I don't know if I'm still alive, but I'm checking the chat right now. Cash in my account, okay. What do you think about telehealth stocks? Like, well, I don't know anything about telehealth. Could be something. Agree. The best part about Apple is a lot of analysts are bearish on earnings. That's when you really see a spike after. Yeah, definitely. Would you sell before election? No. I have like 15K in Neo stock that I really want to dip into and sell to have a physical. I think you should be looking at stocks that are undervalued. You should be looking at stocks that are down 10, 20%. NEO is not down 20% right now. It's going to correct a little bit more before anything happens. Didn't you think Apple would run bearish for a couple hours today? Yeah, I thought that, so I bought some Apple right now. You can see Amazon is Amazon is going exactly like we said it would. This is just great. This is just it's so. The technicals are telling me everything about the stock happening in the near term. Anytime it goes lower, I'm going to buy more Apple stock. It looks like it's about to bottom as well. I think it's going to hit the trend line around $114, and then we're just going to jump. So yeah, that would just look a little bit like that, and then we'll jump massively to the upside. Zoom 545 now. Can I buy at this price or wait to buy lower than this? The simple fact is people are pricing in a Democrat win and everyone's taxes are going up and President Kamala wiping out the energy sector while calling. This could definitely be the case, yeah. Zoom for 545. Can I buy at this price or wait to buy lower? Well, the thing is, I told you guys to buy Zoom if you wanted to buy Zoom, like as guidance. Didn't I say very clearly, guys, we got a bottom. Guys, we got a bottom. Look at that. It was at 508, 510, and now you want to buy? I don't think it's a very great buy, but you could go ahead and buy at like 540. I just don't think it's a very great buy right now. You get maybe 10%, but if you would have bought right there, you would have gotten maybe 20, 30%, right? Yeah, you could still do it. Should I lower my price point of Apple? I'm a 117 now. What should I buy at? I think anything below 115 is probably pretty amazing. But market's going to keep correcting until November, December. No, I don't think so. Then January market, you know why I don't think so? The Fed is buying $40 billion in assets each month. I think in January it's going to crash, actually. Yeah, I've been bullish. I'm still bullish. I am still bullish. It's not going to stop. I am going to keep on being bullish. This bearishness doesn't continue. This bearishness does not continue. I'm going to tell you. So if we go here, this is the S&P 500, eh? Nope. What am I doing? Yes, we have some bearish candles, but this could very well be a very small bearish correction before we see another bullish round coming up. RSI is already pretty low, so there's more move to the upside than to the downside. More room. And the 4 hours is indicating that we're about to have a bottom, right? 4 hours. So when the markets open, you'll see that we literally are at the bottom. You can't see anything here, but we'll go down to the oversold and then we'll bounce. Wait on Zoom. What do you think about SQ? Seems like going to drop to 150. Well, what's happening with SQ? Yeah, I actually even predicted this would happen. Okay, this is just a little bit comic. Like, okay, so I said we would drop. I'll have to move this. It's not very accurate anymore. I'm not very good with the time frame, but I do know it's going to go somewhere. It's definitely trying to go downwards. Yeah, we could be possibly looking at it hitting the trend line very briefly, and then going back up again towards newer highs. So around $160. That's where it's trying to move at right now. Ride or DPHC. Is it DHPC? Ride. Let's check ride. Nah, ride is fine. We're bottoming now. Ride should be fine. We're right now bottoming. We had a gap fill, and yeah, this could be a buying opportunity long term. Could go lower a little bit. It goes sideways, and then Probably something like that. Yeah, just like that. Should be fine. I even predicted this would go up earlier than that, but we had the markets drop like 2%. Okay, so I think it updated. The markets are now updated to what we said. So this is interesting. Markets just opened. And this was our prediction. Let's see if it happens. You know, we gapped down, right? We had this gap. This is probably going to be filled very soon. Markets are opened. I'm going to check my stocks a little bit. Yeah, my stocks are going up huge, guys. Like all my stocks are going up huge. My Tesla's going up. My Netflix is going up. My Apple, AMD, everything is going up. This is, guess we were right. Guess we had a good prediction. Yay! Let's see what happens on the 3 minutes or 5 minutes. Are we going down? 3,227. Right, so possibly move this a bit like that. Could that be it? Could we see this happen? And then like that. Does this make sense? Yeah, it could be very well this. Okay, so it's coming back down. It's gonna bottom out soon. Look at the MACD, jeez. Look at that. Damn, just coming down. Incredible. Yeah, we thought this was the bottom for a brief moment, but it wasn't the bottom, apparently. Tesla at 417, that's fine. It was at 415 in the pre-market. You're right, but the title is the complete opposite. What do you mean? I mean, what do you mean with that? We're still crashing. I mean, I'm not even lying. Like, it's not even clickbait. We're actually crashing. It's minus 2%. I'm just saying you can take advantage of this market crash or correction. I'm not saying that we're right now skyrocketing. So this title is correct. You should take benefits. Like, this should be a buy opportunity for many people like me, like you and me and anyone else that is willing to be investing into the markets. Look how low we've gotten. We are down significantly, like 7%. We're down about 7%, guys. Maybe like 7.5%. This is a buying opportunity. Even if you're just gonna dollar cost average, this is amazing. You don't get this too often. I mean, maybe we're going to rally for the next 10 years. You're not going to get many buying opportunities like these. And I think we're almost done with the correction as well. Yeah, looking like we're going to hold the trend, guys. We drew a trend line. I can't zoom out with the 5 minutes. Tesla's not going to hit 405. Yeah, tech is super safe. I'm telling you, you're gonna see Apple skyrocket to the moon at earnings and in Q4. Okay, stocks are coming down right now. Is the market going down as well? Let me check. Yeah, suddenly I saw like a incredible crash in like my stocks. Tesla went down to 412. Netflix is not down. Oh wow, this is incredible. This is another buying opportunity. Hold on. Give me one moment, guys. I'm gonna buy some more stonks. We'll be buying more Apple, more Tesla. and more AMD. I should be fine now. Hold on. Maybe a little bit more Tesla. Alright, I bought some more stonks. It should be fine. Cool. Let me check. Wow, this is insane. Markets are dropping so fast. Yeah, let's take a look at Tesla. Well, first I want to look at Apple a little bit. We actually said in our video today that Apple would come falling down. Yeah, we don't want to go below this trend line, so I don't think Apple's going to go much lower than this. It's going to come back up, definitely. Yeah, it's having a very tough time going below this level. It just doesn't want to. Still holding the trend line, as we said. RSI incredibly low. I'm going to show you. Whenever we get this RSI, we have either we have a correction, and at some point we see a huge rally. So could be rallying towards earnings. I mean, we're down how much? Like at least like 10 to 20%. So still am bullish on Apple. We're having that bearish correction right now, like we said in the video. And on the 1 day, we're about to be bottoming very soon as well. So we'll see huge moves to the upside coming up. Yeah, everything is selling off. That's right. I'm dollar cost averaging, guys. I have faith that this is not going to be a huge correction. And even if this is a huge crash, usually in a crash you see huge rallies to the upside. I remember in March, once we went down 5%, we went up 4%. We went down 5%. We went up 4%. So it's not like it's gonna go down forever, and it's already coming back up actually. So yeah, it's not as bad as it seems. I'm gonna check the live chat, see if you guys want to see some stocks being reviewed. Guys, post in the comments, which stocks do you want me to review? I want to know. I would really like to know. I'm gonna have to check the comments again. Oh wow, we are almost at 3,600 subscribers. One more subscriber and we are at 3,600, guys. Hit that subscribe button, get to that 3,600. If you're not subscribed yet, you'll get notifications whenever you'll get notifications whenever I go live. You'll get notification whenever I upload. And guys, also, you can check out my Patreon. On the Patreon, you can get many benefits like early access, like buying signals, selling signals, and other things like consultations. It's just very slow. What the hell? Let's go to the public page. And you have many different tiers, so you can choose whatever you like, and you have benefits per tier. It's pretty nice. And if it would load, that would be awesome. So if you would support me on Patreon, I would really Be super thankful and grateful. You have super many levels right there. And yeah, check the Patreon out. Link is in the description if you want to show me some love. The Discord's right here. Been posting a lot of videos because I've been like uploading a lot of videos. So if you want to be part of the Discord, link is also in the description for the Discord. Make sure you join. About 180 people right now in the Discord. It's getting really, really full. I'm gonna have to make a new link for the Discord, but yeah, make sure you join. How many people are watching right now? We got 76. No, I don't think it's 76, right? 77 people watching. Welcome to the live stream. My name is Lucid Trading, and I analyze stocks for your guidance. While Apple is going down, man, what is happening? Wow, this is amazing. This is amazing. This is what your mindsets should be like. Oh, stocks are going down? This is amazing. That's how it's supposed to be. Amazing buying opportunities. Like the moment stocks go up, it's gonna be amazing. I'm telling you. Bearishness is almost done. Huge correction happened. Earnings is gonna come up. If earnings are going to be good, I think the whole stock market is gonna go up. Despite all this negativity. Down 2.3%. Damn, that's so incredible. They released a new iPhone, released new products, and it's down. Earnings are going to be good, Q4 earnings are going to be good, and people are panicking so much that they're selling Apple at a 20% discount. How many times in your life do you get that? It's just incredible. Just this whole period, right? Buying opportunities all the way. I think it's going to hold the trend line. I'll be checking the live stream for some stock suggestions for the analysis. All right, so Amazon, NIO, AMD, check Microsoft, Rolls-Royce, SQ. Amazon, Tesla. Yeah, Europe is not going to go in a complete shutdown, though. We're going to go in a partial shutdown. I am in Europe, and I know. Oh yeah, NIO is looking like a... let me check. Okay, Apple still going down, still bearish. Let's see how the RSI is gonna take us. So people wanted to see Amazon. You'll get some Amazon for me. If this is the right, okay, cool. Amazon a little bit bearish. It is looking like we're gonna see a pump on earnings. I can't word it differently. It's just looking like we're gonna get a pump on earnings. Q3 was amazing. I should buy some Amazon as well. Hold on, guys. I'm like buying some more stocks. I need more funds. Dang it. We're fine. We're Gucci. Checking the live chat. I think Amazon should be fine. And if it goes down, just dollar cost average, earnings are going to be fine. Lucid, what is your yearly return of investment? Let me calculate that. Let me think. Return on investment. So I had invested $600, and I turned that $600 into, I think it was 5,000. I think it was more than 5,000, like $6,000 to $7,000. So that's like a 10x, so 1,000% return on investment. It was not investing really; it was trading. So I was like trading many contracts. So I went from 600 to 7,000, and then from 7,000 to around 20K. So that's like 200%. That's a lot. People want me to check out Neo. Well, you'll get some Neo from me then. I'm checking the live chat very fast. Tesla looks flat now. How's the volume? We'll see. We'll look at Tesla very soon. Neo seeing some bearish momentum, just like I said in the video. Actually, if you check the video, I said we would go down to $26, and then we'll see a pump. So it's nothing new. Return on investment, ROI, like total amounts of money, like profit. What do you mean capping? 600 to 20K, yeah, pretty much. I mean, if you think about it, so what I did is like I put 600 that Tesla would go down from 500 to about 390, and I had a contract that was leveraged 5 times. So that move alone, that doubled my money, right? I think I went from what was it, 600 to about 1,500. Then around 390, I said, okay, it's gonna go bullish again. So I bought some calls or contracts that would go up with my 12 to 500. I was going all in. I was very sure about my decisions. So then it went up from 390 to about 450 to 460, which was another 15% times 5, which got me to around, I think, 2,500, 3,000. And then I shorted it again around battery day, which got me back to, I think it was uh, around 5K, 5, 6, 7K ish, because I was doing something else. And then I went into Palantir, I went into Apple and Amazon, and eventually it just, those contracts, they kept on rising because they were leveraged so much, 5 to 10 times. And it just got me to 20K during the, I can't even show you. During this whole move, I've been like profiting like mad, pretty much. And during this down move, I've been losing a tiny bit. But I'm about to profit madly when it comes to like going onwards from here. I wish I could just show you my portfolio, but I just really don't feel comfortable with like sharing personal information. And for me, money is like super personal. I'm just sharing some numbers, but I'm not going to show you my portfolio. I'm not going to show you anything. Maybe I'll change my mind at a higher subscriber count. Like, okay, so if somebody needs to trust me, I'll have to show it. But right now, I just don't feel comfortable with showing personal information at all. I hope you guys don't mind. I woke up late and see another crash. Would you buy more Neo? I would buy a little bit more. If it crashes more, I would buy a little bit more. There have been no pumps in earnings lately. Retail investors are out of money. Yeah, they're getting out. Retail is getting out. Jake Echo from 600 to 100,000. I haven't. I'm not at 100,000 though. Can you look at Apple? Apple stonks. I've already looked at it, but it looks like it's bottoming. Looks like it's about to be bottoming. So look at that candle. Look at that. It's about to bottom. That's what I think. Would you buy Facebook? Facebook. Well, I haven't covered Facebook at all. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I would buy Facebook. I would buy a little bit, sure. However, do know that like this could keep going to like this could keep going to 267, pretty much before earnings. Ooh, ugly, 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 ugly. But yeah, I would buy a little bit of Facebook right here, sure. Microsoft. Renan Maharaj says that. Microsoft. Let's see what it's doing. Yeah, we did say it would go up, but then it came back down today, so that's unfortunate. Earnings. Oh yeah, earnings. Ooh, yeah. Nah, I think Microsoft is bottoming. I think you can get Microsoft very cheap now. I think Microsoft is at the bottom. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna go lower than this. We're also oversold. You can see it right there. So Microsoft is a great buy right now. Actually, I'm gonna get some Microsoft myself right now. Hold on. Give me a second. Yeah, I bought some Microsoft. This should be fine. All right, so let me check the live stream briefly. Let me see how many people are watching. 77, I guess. Oh wow, 99 people. Hey guys, welcome to the live stream. My name is Lucid Trading and I analyze stocks for you guys for better guidance. Make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Guys, if you want to support my channel, then go ahead and click that link in the description to the Patreon. You can support me on different levels. You'll get different benefits like early access, consultations, updates, buying and selling signals, Discord exclusivities, and many more. Patreon link is in the description. The Discord link also in the description. If you want to join the Discord, feel free to do so. I think there's about 10 people that can join now at the maximum, and then I'll have to refresh the link. So if you want to join the Discord, do it right now. A lot of people were before you. We're about 185 people right now in the Discord, so click that Discord link and join the Patreon to show me some love and get those benefits. Patreon link also in the description. Now I'm going to check the live chat, see if we can get ourselves some Tesla 407. No freaking way. We're hitting the trend line. Let me just go to Tesla. Tesla, I did say, I remember, watch the video, I said we would hit the trend line. If you watch the video today, I actually said this, so don't act surprised. This was actually predicted. Now we're at the trend line, see if we go even lower than that. How do I do this? Right. Let me just make this a little smaller. So, okay, yeah, we're at 407 points something. Man, I wish I could buy more now. Dang it, we're going down so much. These are all buying opportunities. Pretty much. Hold on. All right, so yeah, I think this is. Let's check the 1 hours. Not bottoming yet. 1 hour's not bottoming yet either. This could keep going. The 4 hours telling us, yeah, this is just starting. This bearish. Oh my gosh, the stock market is going incredibly bearish right now. We're at 2.16% down on the stock market. This is a solid buying opportunity, guys. I would get in more and more as it goes lower. 1 day is looking pretty bad as well. Damn. Damn. Hold on. This is not looking good for Tesla, guys. Everything is going down. Everything. Wait, hold on. Let me just let me fix this chart. I messed it up. Can we fix it? Yes, there we go. I was already worried. Yeah, I wanted to do this, right? A little bit like that. And then that, so we can see what's happening on the charts. We're still at 408. I think it's going to hold 408. And if it does not hold 408, we will see us hitting the $400 to about $404. Let's check the S&P. S&P is still going down. As we said, it would go down, and it's probably going to bottom very soon. We said it would hit the trend line at around 3,300. Wait. There we go. Yeah, we changed it up a bit in the 5 minutes, but it's still looking like we'll hit the trend line at around 3,300. Guys, these are buying opportunities. Don't be too afraid. I don't think the stock market is going to crash heavily. This was the crash, right? This is going to bottom out very soon, and then we're going to go up to the moon. 1 day looking like it's about to be bottoming soon. Okay, let me check my own stocks. My stocks are starting to go up a little bit. So that's good, very positive. Live chat, checking the live chat right now. What is your view on SPX? We're going to be bottoming very soon. You can see the trend line right there. Let me just do this. Just like that. We would go up, have a retrace to 3,360, probably gap down, hit the trend line real quick, go up towards this bearish channel again. The edge of the bearish channel at 3,430. Beat Studio says, we're not going to the moon, bro. Market is in a clear downtrend. Well, maybe. Who knows? I just think that it's not likely. We are already oversold. Look at that. Look how oversold we are. We are at 20.5. You really think we're going to go lower than that? Same goes for the RSI. RSI going significantly lower. This is possibly going to bottom out very soon. Let me just put this back. We want to look at the stonks, the price. Let me check your comments. I kept my calls 2 days ago because this guy was super optimistic about Tesla. Michael, well, the thing is, I actually did say that there's a bearish side to things. If the markets collapse, Tesla's going to go with it. And I also always say I dislike options. I really hate options. I would advise against options. Bought Google and Facebook just now. You might just gotten like the the best deal for the coming months for Facebook and Google. So Friday we can expect lower lows. Now I think Friday we will be probably positive by then, right? Well, yeah, at the beginning of Friday possibly. But I do see Friday being pretty positive, right? Monday as well. Next week will be rather positive for an election week, especially if Trump wins. This isn't buy the dip. This is the begging of the second free fall. No more Robinhood pumpers. No, you're right. You're wrong about this, Francesco. You're so wrong about this. The reason you're wrong about this is because last time we didn't have stimulus. We didn't have anything until we got that in March. Now we're gonna have stimulus after the election. We're gonna have the Federal Reserve pumping up the markets. Interest rates are low. COVID is starting to go down in terms of like death rate. So I don't think this is going to be a market crash. This is short-term fear. Markets are going to recover very quickly. It is going to go up to the moon. I'm telling you, this is the time to be dollar cost averaging. These are the buying opportunities. And if you don't listen, then in 1 week, I'll just say, I said so. I just said so. I told you guys. I told you. I'm just going to be like, I told you guys. This was the buying opportunity. You missed it. Sure. Be fearful. Be fearful while others are fearful. Like, that's going to give you any profits. Nothing. Market's heading lower right now. What's going on with NEO today? You can check the video I made on NEO. I said it would go bearish. Netflix is up, like I said. Netflix would go up. Market starts to go up. Yeah. Okay. Tesla struggled yesterday at open. Just move to 65% cash. I think that's a good thing to do, but I think you should also consider that there are many buying opportunities right now in the market. Bro, every time you say a stock is going to rally, they keep going down. We'll see. I'm speaking about the coming days and weeks. I'm not speaking about the coming 30 minutes. If you're watching me for the coming 30 minutes, then you can watch another channel, honestly, because I'm not about the coming 30 minutes or 1 hour. I'm about the coming days and weeks. Obviously, if you're watching this for the coming 30 minutes, I think you're losing a lot of money because that's not the way trading works. You should look at the monthly time frame, weekly time frame, and daily time frame. American Airlines and Apple. Okay. Market's still going down. I'm going to check my own stocks very briefly. Probably down as well. Yep. A little bit down. Little bit. I want to check Zoom. What is Zoom doing right now? Zoom is going down. I think Zoom is a buying opportunity at this point if it keeps correcting. Just dollar cost average towards the trend line. That would be great for Zoom. I think Apple's at 112 right now. 112.5. Man, that is insane. That is absolutely insane. That is... Damn. I'm considering getting even more into this. Look at that. Damn. Before earnings, that's so crazy. Look, that's like, look at that. We started at 126, and then we went down to, that's about, holy moly. That's about 12%. This is insane. And then you have this here, to right there. 138, 139, right? So that was around, wow, 20%, 25%. No, wait, it is 21%, something like around that. 21% correction from the all-time high. 21 for Apple. Apple, the stock that always rallies. So that's insane. That's very cheap. That's very cheap. Bro, this whole last week you said Apple's gonna rally and it kept going down. I'm not even gonna read your comments anymore because you're just asking for attention at this point. I'm seeing an island reversal towards bearish for short. Well, we'll see. We'll see what happens. It's going to be very clear what will happen, so it's not going to be very complicated. But yeah, guys, I am Lucid Trading. I make videos about technical analysis and fundamental analysis for stocks. Make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the YouTube channel, check me out on Patreon. A link in the Patreon is in the description if you want to show me some love. And I would really appreciate that. You can get many benefits like early access, updates, buying and selling signals, and counseling. And on top of that, guys, make sure you join the Discord. Discord link is also in the description. You can talk about finance, trading, and investment in the Discord. Both the links of the Patreon and the Discord are in the description. Check it out. So I want to see Tesla right now. See what Tesla's doing. I mean, this is interesting, right? Tesla's going up like we said it would. Wow! I'm a bit sporadic today. Look at that. Oh my god, it's going up? Oh no! No, it's going up? It's not crashing? But I thought it was gonna crash. I thought the whole market was gonna fall down. Oh, whoa! It's not bearish? Oh my god, RSI? What is RSI? Okay, that's just ridiculous. Oh, RSI is oversold? So the stock is cheap right now, but I'm not buying? I'm gonna buy it for 440. I'm gonna buy it 450 because I'm a retail trader. That's usually the reaction of retail traders. It's so ridiculous. It's like, oh, it's low right now? Oh, it's crashing? I'm not gonna buy. What? That makes no sense. It just doesn't make sense. It's not how you profit. It's like, oh, MACD is about to bottom? Let's not buy. Let's not buy this stock. We'll buy this stock when it's up at around 460 and then it goes down again because buy high and sell low, right? That is literally what happens with retail traders. I'm sorry, but this is literally what I see on a daily basis. The fear of missing out is strong with this one. Look at that, it's pumping 411. Should I buy at 411? No, maybe it's going to crash again. Maybe we're in a stock market crash. Maybe Trump is going to make it crash or Joe Biden is going to make it crash. I offended so many people right now. Sorry. But I just had to say this. Oversold? Oh, this is the time to sell. No, it's not. This is the time to buy. Anyways, just sorry for that. If you guys are offended, I saw like 10 people leave after that. Probably 10 people that don't really care about me or my videos or my channel, so it's fine. But yeah, this is the buying opportunity, and let's look at Amazon. Oh my god, Amazon is going up? Maybe I should sell Amazon right now because I need to get cash. No, you should be pretty much buying at this point. We just hit the trend line. We're going to go up now. And probably we're going this is probably one of the last moments you can like get into Amazon before the huge move coming up. No, I'm just look, I get messages from people. Okay, put yourself in my position, right? I get messages from people saying, "Oh my god, the markets are dropping. And then I tell them, yeah, this is a buying opportunity. And then they tell me, I just sold 30% of my shares. Literally the day after they sold their shares, the markets pumped like 10%. It's just frustrating sometimes. I'm just venting, sorry. I'm going to stop doing that. Oh, 108 people are watching right now. Can I confirm that? Is it 108 people? No way. No way there's 108 people. 110 people watching right now. Guys, welcome to the stream. I am Lucid Trading and I trade stocks. I give you guys guidance on technicals and buy signals, sell signals, etc. I try to explain things that are happening on the technical side of things and the fundamental side of things. And I'll be making more and better videos about these concepts. Market has opened about 30 minutes ago, 40 minutes ago-ish. And stocks are looking like they're pretty down right now. However, I said that we will probably be bottoming very soon because of the RSI and the MACD indicating that on the S&P 500. And if we look at the 4 hours, we can see that the 4 hours is about to be bottoming. We can see that the 1 day is starting to be bottoming very soon, and the RSI is significantly lower than normal, which means that we could see another rally coming to the upside. On the trend line, usually we bottom out around the trend line like we did there, and here. So I am not afraid of this, guys. It's fine. If we go lower, the lowest point I think we'll go is 3,250. That's the lowest point I think we'll go. And same goes for this trend line. I think if we hit this trend line, we'll bounce towards the 3,400s, which is around 3,310, 3,300. We'll go about 100 points to the upside and move back down if we keep going bearish to 3,250. So long term, yes, we could go there. However, short term, we'll see a bounce to the upside. So guys, if you want to support my channel, Patreon, link in the description. Many benefits on the Patreon. Check it out. Discord link also in the description. If you want to be part of the community, it's free. You can join right now. I think we have about 183, 185 people in the Discord right now, so feel free to join. This is going to be slow, long bleed out with a few green days here and there. Don't be foolish, buy the dip investor at the moment. Full-fledged falling knife. If you say so, check out what happened here last night. Same thing, market's about to go up. Shenzhen's... Yeah, I would buy a little bit of NEO, yes. Shenzhen SE thing is going up. Hey man, Dave and Buster's. DAX went down back up and ended even further down. Yeah, because of the lockdown. Tesla's going up. I thought it was going to crash. Lol. Yeah, but just let's take a look at Tesla, right? People have been saying to me that it's going to go crash to 300 ever since it went up to 460, and right now they're like, it's going to go to 300, 390, 380. We've not even touched 300. Every time we go lower, we bounce back up on the trend line. So if I draw this trend line out correctly, if I believe this trend line, there's about to be a huge move coming up because we have corrections every month or so. So a month from now, we'll have a correction around 474, 476, around this range. So there's still a lot of room left, guys. A lot of room to the upside left. RSI and MACD are indicating the same thing. Very same thing. Lots of room to the upside. Possibly going to 540, 500, $600-ish could be happening very soon. SAP. Amazon will probably reach $3,600 very soon. And I'm talking about weeks from now, like days and weeks from now. I think it's this one, right? Whoa, what happened there? Wow, that's yeah, that looks like it's giving me stress. Doesn't look too good. Yeah, I think we're about to bottom though. Yeah, this is a good buying opportunity for SAP. Definitely. You want to pick the falling knife whenever it's at its lowest. And SAP looks like it's at its lowest. Yeah, we're this is a bottom. This is I'm gonna just how do you say that? I think I'm going to put some of my own money in SAP, just a small amount. Looking pretty good. Like short term, I would probably get in, yeah. Just a small amount, not too much. Daily looking like it's about to be bottoming very soon. Weekly, yeah, weekly saying the same, so it's gonna probably rally before Q4. That's what I would say about SAP. If this is the right ticker. Hold on, let me check the live chat. What is the support? The support is around $407, $408. If it falls below that, $404 and $400. Most probably. Someone said I just used 8K of margin on Tesla YOLO. Bella Angelo. That is so risky. I don't know why you would do that. Like it could pan out well, but it's still so risky. I wouldn't have done that. That's not a really smart move, but if you got like 100,000 euros or dollars, then sure. But if that's like everything you got, nah. That's not a smart move. But yeah, it's your decision to make, right? It's your responsibility. Tesla moving back up. Great. About to be bottoming on Tesla on the 30 minutes. Can you check out Alibaba? Legend Green says. Alibaba. It should be good. Yeah, it should be good. That's yeah, it's nice. I guess I would pick up some. Probably go up like that, etc. Yeah, I would pick up some. Just looking at it, it's like, all right, oversold, MACD about to bottom. Probably soon to see a pump like that. I'm just gonna keep going up. My risk level is high. Yeah, I mean, I don't like that. I don't like taking high risks. Only if the reward is like 10 times the risk, then yeah, that's nice. Zoom video communications. Ooh, Zoom is looking like a solid buy. Nice. Yeah, Zoom is looking okay, so I would dollar cost average this. Let me just delete some of these lines. Whoa, S&P dropping 2.6%. What is happening? Zoom looking like by 2.6%. We're at 3,300. Oh my god, we're at the trend line, like we said. So let's see what happens. Is it gonna breach? Is it gonna breach this trend line? Let's see what happens. Or is it gonna bounce? You know what? I'm gonna look at the 5 minutes. It's more it's like real time, so. Oh my god, it's following the pattern. It's about to bottom. Wow, that's so coincidental. I might be wrong, but let's just see. Let's just see what's happened. Yeah, I'm using leverage because I feel very certain and rationally I thought about this. There's a gap right there, giving me more confidence in a market rebound. So I use some leverage 5 times. I would not suggest you guys to use leverage. I am doing it because I am certain about some things. I use 5 to 10 times leverage on this short term, like weekly, monthly sometimes. But I also have stocks, so like 50% of my holdings are like stocks. Leverage is like a multiple, so 5 times the return, but also 5 times downside. Let's just see what happens with the markets. Guys, if the markets do go up though, if I make this prediction, you better show me some love on Patreon. Let's just delete these lines. Not joking, you don't have to show me anything, but just show me some appreciation. Okay, this would be a little bit more accurate. Just like that. Like that. Let's move it a little bit. This would make sense with what's happening right now. Wait, is Apple still going down? My Apple or my portfolio is going up right now. Significantly. I'm shorting Palantir from 11 to 10. I started at 11 and so far it's at 10.3. So that was a great short. I think I'm gonna get out of Palantir shorting that. I think Palantir has gone down enough. So that's that. I got 24 AMD shares, 20 something. Oh man, I want to get more AMD. I want to get more AMD. I just bought some more Tesla. And yeah, that should be it. So we're bottoming around this trend line right now. That's what's happening pretty much. Let me check the YouTube. Snap, save me. Oh no, you're holding Snap? Oh no. Oh no. Oh, that just. Ouch. Ouch, 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 ouch. We said it would go bearish. I'm so sorry, man. I'm so sorry, man. Even the 5 minutes is looking bad. 30 minutes looking bad. 4 hours looking bad. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. One day is about to crash down. Weekly is about to crash down. I'm so sorry. I warned you guys about Snap. Oh, if you bought it at the bottom, then you should be fine. Oh, you want me to check Palantir? Palantir. Oh yeah, this is Palantir, guys. No, I'm joking. So far, so good. It's been going pretty much like we said it would. Although I am very bad at the time frame. So maybe if we move this a little bit, yeah, this is a little bit more likely. So we're gonna go. So we went down, and now we're gonna go up and correct a little bit again, and then we'll go down again, possibly. Because this was the pattern that we saw. We have huge moves to the upside and huge moves to the downside, but this is rallying downside and this is pumping upside. We had this right there, and we had it right there as well. So there's a chance that we'll see something similar. So Palantir probably going to go down a little bit for now. Netflix is pretty good today. I bought some Netflix today because I saw it like bottom and I was like, wow, what a nice buying opportunity. And as I said that, it dumped. No, I'm kidding. It actually went up to 493. Right now we're at 490, and at the start of the day we were like at 485. So we're up, we're like 0.21%, while the markets are down 2.75%. So Netflix is doing pretty fine. We're probably going to go sideways, I don't know. Are you a fan of Peloton? No, actually not. I'm not really a fan of Peloton. I think I already did an analysis. Yeah, I said it would go down significantly. Well, it didn't go down significantly, but it's going sideways. So, wait, maybe the daily is different? Yeah, right. Yeah, this was the bearish case, though. The neutral case looked very similar. Nah, I think it's gonna go down a bit further before earnings. This is literally a bubble almost. What's the market cap? 36 billion? I don't know about that. This is gonna come back down. This is definitely gonna come back down. Probably like that, and then maybe even like push like that, and then we'll come back down here. It just looks too bullish to be true. What about AMD? What about it? Did I do a video? No, I didn't do a video today about it, so fair enough. Fair enough. We said we would correct to about $75 and then move upwards to the 84, then to the 82, and then go back up to $89. So far, looks like we are still trending in a bearish channel. Hold on. The bearish channel, this is like the continuation of the bearish channel, right? So we have to escape this bearish channel of hell that we are in right now in order to get any kind of positive movement. The daily does suggest that the bearishness might be over, so could happen very soon. The 4 hours is suggesting that it might go over very soon as well. We're oversold. 30 minutes. Yeah, 30 minutes is going to keep correcting at the oversold level. But yeah, I bought some AMD at the bottom, so looking pretty good. Tesla 413, but how? No crash? Yeah, I get what you mean. How do you feel they're gonna do? Are they gonna bounce back, or are they gonna just? I think they're gonna bounce back. Any chance Tesla could hit 600 by mid? I think it will hit 600. If it hits 600, I think it will hit it in beginning of December or at the end of November. If it hits 600. or mid-November to end November, around there, around this time, but then next month, or the beginning of December, with the S&P inclusion possibly coming up. Can you check Microsoft? Oh, Microsoft. I already checked Microsoft, but I want to just take a look at it because I just bought some stock. I bought some stock in Microsoft. I bought it at like 204, somewhere around down, 205. Yeah, I thought it would go up, but it's still going down so far. But I'll just move this. I'm still bullish on Microsoft. I don't think it's going to keep going down. I think people will realize that this is a buying opportunity. So I'll keep moving it until it goes up. Like, honestly, this is going to keep going up very soon. But the markets are down almost 3%. What is happening? We're below 3,300. We're at the trend line. We are literally touching the trend line, like we said. So look at that. It's replicating our move. We need a bounce now. We need to see a bounce. MACD is going to bounce. RSI is going to bounce. Come on. Come on, markets. This is going to bounce. Come on. Is my COVID gone? Not 100%. I still feel some symptoms of the COVID. Is Tesla a buy? Well, Tesla is at 412. Yeah, I guess so. Pretty nice buy. Oh, wow, we're bouncing? Oh my god, we're bouncing at the trend line. How could we have seen this coming? We're bouncing at the trend line. Let's see if this bounce is going to hold up. When would the S&P inclusion... I think they would announce it at the end of November, and it would happen around the mid-December, beginning of December. What do you think about American Eagle Outfitters? How do you think they're... I don't know, man. I don't know about that. Do you think Apple has bottomed at 112? Yeah, I think it has bottomed pretty much. No, the dips will not remain the whole day. They'll pretty much bounce at the end of the day, I think. American Airlines is going to be down for a long time. If you want to have like a long-term investment in American Airlines, right now would be the time to buy some. Oh gosh, look at that. We're bouncing on the trend line. Wow. Whoa. We predicted this. It was not very hard to predict, although it could keep going down. So this could be a dead cat bounce. So we'll just have to be careful. See if it goes up. So far, we're seeing a bounce. Yeah. Oh my god, how? No way. This makes no sense. Why did nobody tell me Tesla would bounce off of 406? It's bouncing. I'm gonna check the markets right now, see if Tesla's bouncing. Tesla is right now at 413. Oh my god, I wish somebody would have told me they would bounce at 407. I wish somebody would have told me. Right. So that what do I want to say? Guys, if you're new to this channel, my name is Gara. I'm from Lucid Trading. This is the channel, Lucid Trading, obviously. I try to give you as much as guidance that I can give you, the best quality out there. You can see the trend line is holding right now. That's pretty nice. But if you guys want to support me, there's a link towards the Patreon in the description. Takes you right to the Patreon. You can see that you can select many options. There are many benefits to it, like early access, consulting, buying and selling signals, and way more things like Discord exclusivity. Talking about the Discord, make sure you join the Discord. The link is in the description. You can join the community for free. I'm about to refresh the link for the Discord because too many people have gone into the Discord now. We're about at, I think, 180 something people. So 10 more people can get in, and then I have to refresh the link. But yeah, Discord link in the description. Patreon link in the description as well. Let's go back to this chart, see what's happening. Can Tesla... no, it cannot be included at any time. Usually the S&P 500 has a rebalancing every quarter at the end of the quarter. So this is going to happen around December. So that's what would happen if it does happen at all. Guys, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. We're going to be streaming Apple earnings live tomorrow. We're going to streaming Amazon earnings live tomorrow. We're going to be streaming many earnings. I'm talking NIO is going to be streamed live. You have to be subscribed. Tick the notification bell so you get the update whenever I am live, guys. Make sure you do that. Would be awesome. Oh wow, we're bouncing. We're bouncing right now. Whoa. Guys, I want to get some stock analysis requests. Give me some stock analysis requests. I'm gonna be muting the mic because I'm gonna go to the toilet. I'll be right back. All right, we are back. We are back, guys. I'm gonna check the live chat to see what people said. NIO will fall, or it's gonna fall to about $26, and there onwards, it's most likely gonna rally upwards. Bella Angelo, I saw another guy walk past the camera. That is creepy. Crude oil. Ooh, S&P is having a struggle to go above 3,300, guys. I'll do crude oil soon. I just want to see what happens here, because this is important. It needs to hold the 3,300. Because if it can't, then that's like pretty messed up. What is already rallying? FedStar. Well, what's rallying? Tesla's almost $414. Netflix going up significantly, $493, profiting on that one. AMD is about to bottom out, about to go up as well. Same goes for Apple. Apple's right around the bottom, starting to move upwards. Microsoft doing nothing, pretty much, about to go down a little bit. Yeah. Zoom also bouncing back, etc. NIO probably going to bounce back soon. Can you please check Nvidia? Oh, we're going down, guys. Wow. 3,299 now. Oh, we're coming down huge. 3,297. Oh boy, that's not good. Is that the 30 seconds? Okay, let's look at the 5 minutes. So far it's following the pattern. We're bottoming out. Hold on. So if it could bounce from here, that would be great. If it goes below this trend line, I'm going to look at some stocks. But I'm going to look at Beyond Meat, Google stock. I'll be looking at Virgin Galactic, Nvidia. I'll check them out. I just want to see this rally start. $3,297. Jeez, it's having such a rough time. The 3 minutes is looking bullish, guys. Yeah, we're starting to go bullish. At least the 3 minutes is going bullish right now. Which would be, I think the next hour might be bullish. I want to look at the 1 minute. We have to look at the 1 minute for this stuff. Okay, so, right. All right. A little bit bearish now. Let's see what happens on the 1 minute. It's going to be interesting. Since the 1 minute is pretty active. Let's just put it that way. What stocks do you recommend to hold on for long-term investment? Tesla, NIO, Fiverr, Apple, obviously one of them. I like Samsung. If you can get Samsung stock, Samsung is pretty nice. Oh, stock market's going up again, and it's going down again. $3,300. Okay, pumping. We're looking at the very near term for the stock market. S&P 500. So Nokia could be a long-term buy. They're doing pretty well right now, so at least they're doing better than before. It used to be pretty terrible. Taking a look at some stocks right now. Yeah, we're having such a tough time around this trend line. People just don't know what to do. Somebody commented on my Tesla video, "Damn, you hit the numbers right." Wow. Whoa, the technical analysis was good. It worked. Dang it. Hold on, I'm checking the live chat right now. Fiverr is looking like a buy. Just dollar cost average. Stock market is still down. This is actually a very important moment in the stock market. At least if it holds this level, we could pretty much rally up towards that gap and fill this gap. So 3,400 would be coming up next. Come on, stock market. Yeah, we predicted that this would happen. But will it also... We actually went below it. So that's a bit iffy. Oh, could this be the pump? No, okay. God dang it. Yeah, I'll do plug very soon. Just wait for this. We need to see the pump happening for the stock market. Wait, I didn't lie about Snap. What did I lie about Snap for? Oh boy, this is it. Is this it? We went below the trend line. Ooh, painful. That's some negative. Yeah, we're gonna see some negative momentum coming up very soon. We're gonna go bearish. So this could be. We're gonna go to the 3,290 possibly. See if we can move this just in case. We're getting some bearish momentum, so it's going lower than we expected, a little bit below the trend line, possibly at 3,290. Wow, this is insane. This is one day we went down like 3%. Okay, starting to rally again. Oi, oi, oi. Very interesting stuff happening right now. Why don't you put your money on shorting the market as it would make money this week? Do you know how much the market has come down? This was a short opportunity from there. Not here. Are you kidding? This is not a short opportunity at all. If you think this is a short opportunity, this is not a short opportunity. Not at this price point. Still going lower. Checking my stocks right now. They're doing okay. They're not necessarily doing fine. Netflix is holding up pretty nicely. Are you long or short? I've got positions on both sides, but it's primarily long at this point. I bought some in this dip. Bought some in this dip right here. Some AMD, some Apple, some Tesla, some etc. You know. All right, I think this it's gonna move sideways. There's nothing happening right now, at least so far. It's just going. It's trending lower and lower, trying to make a bottom. But let's look at the 30 minutes. See if the 30 minutes like has something for us. Yeah, 30 minutes still negative, but looking like we're about to bottom. The hourly looking like we're about to bottom. The 4 hours looking like we're close to a bottom. The daily looking like we're getting a bottom very soon, but oh my gosh. Yeah, similar movements have happened. Yeah, this should be fine. This should be fine. Wow, that's crazy. Is this a market crash? Interesting. The weekly is oh my gosh. Nah, this is not a market crash. This would have looked way differently. We just filled this gap to the downside. We're filling this gap right now. This should be fine. Yeah, this should be fine. We're going to retrace to the upside very soon. $3,291. Still going lower, about 3% down. We did have a gap there. Is this a market crash? I'm still wondering. Is this a market crash? Could this be a market crash? Could this be a market crash? Could we see like... Nah, I don't think so. Nah, this is not... Let me check. Are we having a market crash right now? Well, the MACD is holding up so far. Ooh, I'm a little bit worried. This could be a market crash. Hold on. Um, yeah, guys, I would not invest right now. I think if you have some, right, that's nice. You got it at a low price. I would chill out now. I would chill out. We went below the trend line. This could be a market crash. Just gonna be very cautious. This could be the market crash that we were talking about weeks ago. This could be the very beginning because we saw this gap down. We saw another gap down. That's institutions flooding the market. Back when in March we had or in February we had a gap down. We're having the same thing happen again. So we could be in a market crash right now. Once again, I would have some cash on the sidelines. This could go really ugly, really, really soon. This could be a market crash. Oh my. Yeah, I look. It looks a bit similar, but the thing is, we are right now in Q3 and Q4. Those are the best quarters of the year. So I'm still doubtful if that's going to happen or not. But be prepared for a market crash. Have some cash on the sidelines. I have some cash on the sidelines. Do you? I'm just saying it's a hypothetical. Everybody buy toilet paper and hand sanitizer. uh, yeah, I think this short-term correction could be a thing too, you know. I mean, it's not like we gap down 5%. And we're oversold right now, so. When was the last time we were this oversold? The last time we were this oversold, guys, we saw a huge rally towards 3,150. That's 4 to 5% to the upside coming up, probably. Huge rally, as we have even said before. I would be cautious. Don't invest all your money right now. I would be cautious. Dollar cost average, see where it goes. This does look like a bottom to me. About to bottom, right? Well, let's see what happens. You know, we'll see tomorrow probably, or like at the end of the day, see if it retraces back to like levels. But yeah, guys, my name is Gara. I do lucid trading. I do analysis for stocks, so you get better guidance. This channel is called Lucid Trading. Obviously, we do some trading every day, and you can support me on Patreon. Link is in the description. Feel free to do so. Also, you can join the Discord. Link is also in the description. Right now, there are about 185 people in the Discord. Feel free to join. So let's go back to the S&P 500. What percent you keep in reserve in case market crash? About 30 to 50%. And I will cash in more if I think the market crash is happening sooner. Tesla still holding the $412. Apple is like, I don't know, Apple's getting slaughtered before earnings. It's getting slaughtered. Oversold. Look at that. Oversold. Buying opportunity, guys, before earnings. This is a great buying opportunity. You see that? That's a great support for Apple. Usually it bounces off. So it's probably going to hold it at 112 point, around 112. See if I can get my hands on some Apple. Getting some Apple. Getting more Apple. Okay. Bought a couple Apple shares. Should be fine. Is NIO part of the market crash? Of course. If the market crashes, NIO will crash with it. And so far, NIO is bouncing. Look at this pattern, guys. This is what we drew. And this is what happened. Check the video. Check the NIO video. There were no candles right here. This was I drew this prediction. I said, hey guys, this is probably gonna happen. Guess what? The technicals were right. So yeah, it's about to like do something similar. So this pump might not happen, but we'll see what will happen. So far the prediction looks pretty solid. We could see a pump happening if the market starts moving up. So, Bella Angelo, do you go to the gym and work out? I used to for a couple of years, but now I got super fat, so I'm just gonna start losing weight a little bit before going to the gym. Sounds pretty weird, right? SPX going up? Is it? Is it going up? Yeah, it's going up a little bit. Not really. It's pretty still pretty down. Take a look at AMD. I will take a look at AMD. Let's go. AMD. What is AMD doing? AMD still bottoming. Let's see. So we said, what is happening? Why is this? Okay, I'm gonna have to clear this up a little bit here. Well, in the previous video, I said AMD could go down to $74, $75 to about $77 if the markets would go bearish. And actually, we're at 76.65, so not a very big surprise. Possibly going to hit the 75.5, then we would come back up. We would come back up, possibly hitting this again. Possibly retracing back towards the trend line. And then possibly going to the bullish channel. Wouldn't be surprised if this would happen. If the market starts going up, this will definitely happen. Just like that. So AMD is still looking pretty good to be buying right now. It's a good buying opportunity. Palantir has not been affected. Yeah, as I said, Palantir would correct to about $10.4 to about $10 in the worst case. And so far, it's looking like that's happening. We might even bottom right there. And this was obviously bear case. Bull case would be for us to go up like that. So yeah, looking good so far. My worst investment is KLM Airline. Oh yeah, I get you. KLM having a rough time. Mark Garay. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by what? Why is AMD doing so bad if the beat earning estimates and just bought that one company? Because the whole market is collapsing. Apple price prediction. I think Apple will go up to $125 to about $130 if the markets are really bullish. KLM is not going to go bankrupt. The Dutch government is actually supporting KLM. French government, I believe, too. So they'll be fine. It's just going to restructure the business so they can survive. Because they're not getting any revenue. Not many people are like traveling. At least not as how it's used to be, right? There used to be a lot of people traveling. So, all right, guys. I think I'm gonna go in 5 minutes. So, for the new viewers out there, my name is Gara. I'm Lucid Trading. I analyze stocks for you guys so you get better guidance. I do fundamental and technical analysis. I do live streams, so make sure you're subscribed and like this video if you are enjoying these live streams. If you want to show me some love, if you want to support me, you can go to the Patreon. Patreon link is down in the description. You can get things like early access to the videos, consulting, updates, buy and sell signals, Discord exclusivities. It's all going to happen on the Patreon. Check the Patreon link out down in the description. If you want to be part of the community, the Lucid Traders community, make sure you join it. Link is also in the description if you want to join that. Guys, link for the Discord in the description along with the Patreon. So let's go back. I want to do a couple of stock analyses and then I'll be heading out. I'll have a shower and then I'll start recording videos. Nvidia. Somebody was asking me Nvidia before. Nvidia. Nvidia looking like a buy. It's very cheap. Very, very cheap. It's going to go up. It's about to bottom. So, yeah. About to bottom. Nvidia has a good future as well, so if the markets don't keep collapsing like they are, then Nvidia should be a great buy. I would dollar cost average a little bit, and that should be it. I think it will go down to 511 and possibly down to the $500 mark. But that should be it for Nvidia. Just dollar cost downwards, and you'll get some free Nvidia stock, some really cheap Nvidia. All right. Does anybody else have a very Amazon workhorse? Okay, people are asking workhorse. I'll just quickly take a look at the workhorse. I have done a video about Amazon. I think Amazon's bullish. Workhorse is bullish. I already done this analysis. I said it would go down a little bit and then correct, and it will go back up. This is pretty much the bottom that's been formed. Then it will go back up for workhorse. SQ. I said it would go lower to the trend line and then it would go bouncing up, but it could also be bouncing up earlier than that. But so far it's still looking like it's going to go lower as we predicted and then bounce up higher. So possibly a small buy for now. Has Tesla bottomed? Yeah, Tesla has bottomed at 406. Probably. Fastly. Zoom is pretty bullish. Fastly, I think Fastly was bullish as well. Fastly is the last one I'll do probably. Yeah, Fastly looking like, we already said it would go very bullish, but we'll just move this right there because of the markets crashing. Yeah, Fastly looking pretty bullish. I would get in a little bit, yeah. Fastly looking pretty nice for a bounce because of earnings as well. But yeah, guys. So yeah, guys, my name is Lucid Trading. As I've said before, I do these analyses. If you like it, then hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, check the Patreon. Link is in the description. Discord link also in the description. 180 to 190 people were here before you, so make sure you join. Guys, this was the live stream. I hope you enjoyed the live stream. If you want many more live streams, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell. I would really appreciate that. Hit the thumbs up, would love that. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the live stream. I'll be seeing you